Hi, I'm Debbie, one of your BT instructors. Today I'd just like to do a quick tutorial on some of the things you'll need to know to just get around on a computer. This is some real basics. We're just going to talk about a few of the introductory things that you'll need to know. First off, we're looking at a desktop. A desktop is the screen that comes up when you turn your computer on. And everybody's just going to look a little bit different depending on what they've set as their background. This is my personal desktop that we're looking at. Most desktops will have some icons on them. Icons are pictures that represent a link to a program. You usually put them on your desktop if they're things that you use a lot and you want to get to them quickly. I have a few on my desktop that I use quite a bit. If we want to get to another program that's not on there, we are going to click on the Start button in the bottom left-hand corner. This is for Windows 7. That's what's on the school computers and on my personal computer. Yours may be different if you don't have that operating system on your computer, but this is for Windows 7. You're going to click on the Start button in the bottom left-hand corner. It will bring up this screen. Again, it's a place that it's listing your recently used programs that you've worked on recently. If it's still not listed there, you go to All Programs. All Programs will bring up a list of everything on your computer. The first little bit are individual programs with just the icon next to them and the words. You can just click on them from there. Several of them are in folders, and the folders are on the bottom part. Each one of these folders holds several different programs within them. Like we'll click on the accessories and see all of those different things are in the accessories folder. So to get out of here, you just click on your desktop again. Anywhere on your desktop will close that window. Then you'll be back to a desktop. So for practice, I'm going to open the calculator 3 different ways from my computer. So you can see there's always more than one way to get to something. And if you don't have the shortcuts, I'm going to show you how to get there through the actual programs under the Start button. So the first place we're going to go is on my icons on my desktop. You can see I've highlighted the calculator icon. You just click on the icon and then your calculator is open. To close that, you can see the red button with the white X on it. That's pretty standard for most programs. If you want to close them, you'll just click on that button and it's closed. And then we're going to go to I clicked on the Start button again, which brought up this window, and you can see I've used the calculator recently, so it's got that up there. You can click on the calculator from here, and again there's the calculator. You can close it with the red X button. Click on your Start button again, and from here we're going to click on All Programs. If you can't find it, like I said, if it's not on your desktop, it's not in this list, just click on All Programs and you can get to it that way. We know that the calculator is under Accessories in that folder, so click on Accessories. It brings up the list of what's in the folder, and from here we will click on Calculator, and there's our calculator. So we've learned 3 ways that you can get to a program from your desktop. You've also learned what a desktop is, you've learned what an icon is, and you've learned the red X button is how you close programs. Hopefully that gives you a little bit of an introduction so you feel a little bit more comfortable with using these things, and have fun learning.